So here's a 2013 E450. It's a shuttle bus, and getting ready to do spark plugs on it. This is the 6.8 V10 engine, and it's got right at about 68,000 miles on it. It runs on compressed natural gas, so they tend to run pretty lean, and as such it eats the spark plugs up a lot faster than normal. So about every 60,000 we try to do spark plugs on these. But I open the hood up. I'm looking around, getting ready to do spark plugs. Got them all sitting on my toolbox over here, all 10 of them. So I'm looking around, and just tell me if you see anything wrong here. Oh, how about that battery? Look at the holes in the... Holy crap. What happened here? Wow, I'm actually seeing inside the battery. What in the world happened here? Almost looks like the battery exploded. Yeah, I'm just looking around and I see that this is like blown apart. There's acid all over under the hood up here. So I think it actually did blow up somehow. Because I don't know what else would cause the battery to break like that. This doesn't make sense. It's crazy. I've never seen that before. I mean, I've seen photos of batteries blow up, but never seen one like this in person. All I can think of is it must have blown up somehow. It's unreal. Just blew the whole top of it off. So now I got a battery to replace too, in addition to the spark plugs. Fortunately, it's not too big of a deal. It's a Motorcraft battery, so they'll probably even warranty that. I wonder, because it depends on the time. I mean, it's out of warranty now with the amount of miles, but still, a lot of these batteries they'll guarantee for 3 years. That might be just a replacement cell. I doubt they're going to warranty this one. Crazy stuff. So if you hear a boom on your E450, check your batteries. One of them might have just exploded.